You mentioned Palapa, and in doing research for this conversation, I found out that you're working with Eckhart Tolle or Eckhart Tolle. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Yeah.
How did that partnership come to be?
Well, back in 2012 or so, when I was individual blogging, helping people both as a consultant as well as with online courses, I offered a coaching package. And one of the people who took me up on that coaching package to get her site off the ground is now running the business side of things for a company that manages Eckhart Tolle, as well as a number of other spiritual and mindfulness type gurus. And she brought me in to bring Palapa in and to advise on several other things. So that's a case where I offered a coaching package that was limited. I could only do a couple of people because it was very hands-on. I had a number of applications. I chose a couple of people to work with, and one of them really had that spark. And she is a rising star. She's doing amazing things. I'm super happy to be able to support her in this effort. But now it's paying back enormously because Eckhart is one of our biggest customers, and it's a really great name to have as a customer.
How did you choose her specifically?
Well, there are markers, I think, when you're looking for evidence of people who are smart but get things done. You can look at their past and have them explain projects to you, try to get a feel for the part that they've played on the project, and have them explain to you problems that they worked through so that you can start to understand how their brain works and how they dissect a problem, because that's one of the most important skills we have today. Before AI replaces us, we all have to get really good at creating things for humans to consume and at breaking down problems that haven't been solved before. So looking at that, and then she happened to have a couple of classic markers of capability, classic markers being somewhere that you've worked, somewhere that you've gone to school, that sort of thing. And sometimes those can work. I don't take those at face value. I'm not one to look at a degree or a diploma or a resume and say, oh, that person's for me. But if you do that, you interview someone, you get to know them, and it all lines up, then that can be a contributing factor.